Robert Parks here for the 750 North channel. I finally got to drive the Camaro SS1LE this weekend after a 23-day hiatus. Speaking of cars, the North American International Auto Show kicks off their press conferences and industry preview today, and we can expect to hear several announcements out of Detroit this week. I myself am heading to Detroit next Saturday, January 20th, for the first day of the public show, and I hope to get some video while I'm there. My video travel bag is getting pretty complete: a digital SLR with lenses, GoPros, microphones, mini tripods, even a laptop with LTE connectivity. But one thing I hadn't addressed at all was lighting. Now there's no need for extra lighting on an auto show floor. It's as bright indoors there as anything you're ever going to see, as the show promoters know that thousands of photos will be posted to social media, and they want those cars looking as nice as possible. However, I may wish to do an intro or outro from my hotel room or other area with average lighting now or in the future, so it would be a good thing to add some portable lighting to my video travel bag. That's what we're going to do today. I'm going to unbox the Altura Photo 160 LED video light, which I bought for around $34.99 on Amazon, at the link below. The Altura Photo 160 comes with 160 daylight balanced 5500 Kelvin LEDs. It's battery operated and comes with the battery and charger. It can be mounted to the hot shoe of a digital SLR or screwed into the top of a standard 1/4-inch tripod. It has 8 power levels and other filters and settings to meet your needs. I know I say this a lot, but I'll put it to the test in a future video. If you liked what you saw here today, or you want to catch that next video from the North American International Auto Show, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'd like to give a quick shout out to my youngest nephew who just started his own YouTube channel. Have a great day.